All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another travel in Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. As you can see, we are not in Costa Rica. This is Toronto Pearson Airport. We're in Terminal 3, waiting for Porter to start boarding. We're going to be landing in Liberia. So the plan for this video is to fly from right here in Toronto down to Liberia. It's about a 5-hour flight. Then we're going to hightail it right to Playas del Coco. I'm going to show you guys the landing, the airport in Liberia, and how we get out to the beach. So if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube so you can join us for our travels when we get to Costa Rica. I want to do a lot of locations in Guanacaste for this trip and see how it's looking this time of the year. So we will check back in when we're on the plane. Once again, we're flying on Porter, so it's just down at the end here. There's a gate B19 is where we need to go. You can see a lot of the other planes here heading to other locations. We got WestJet. They fly to Liberia as well. I don't know if Sunwing flies to Liberia, but I like Porter. I flew on Porter the way back here to Toronto, so we're going to try it again and see how this goes. All right, and we are off, guys. This is Porter Airlines once again. I paid about $300 for this flight. I think it was a bit higher because the World Cup is going on in Toronto right now, so there's a lot more flights going in and out. I've seen this flight for as low as about $250 Canadian, which is probably less than 200 American. So here we are in the flight. I'll show you guys some of the shots from along the flight path here. So down below there is Lake Erie. The landmass on the left side is in Ontario. I think that's like Long Point area. Pretty cool to see. Now on Porter, they do offer wine. I had 2 glasses of wine on the flight. So now we fly over Florida. I think that's called the Florida Keys down below there. Don't know why it's called the Keys. Looks nice though. Then a short while later, we're flying over Nicaragua, where we just did a bus tour actually down through that area. Really cool. Check the playlist for that. Then finally, we're over top of Costa Rica. Down below there is Playa Ocotal right in the middle of the screen. You can see where that land crops out. Really good snorkeling there. We're going to do some snorkeling on this trip. And then down to the right is Playas del Coco. And then the landing at the Liberia airport. I'll show you guys the full landing here. It was a bit choppy coming in because it's rainy season and there's a lot of clouds around the airport. So from my window seat, we're looking north. So you can see that mountain range off in the distance there. That's behind Liberia. Rincon de la Vieja is up there. There's a lot of rivers and mountain stuff you can do up that direction. So it's a really cool area, but we're actually going the other direction down to the beaches on the Pacific coast. So here we come in for the final landing. Smooth landing. Hats off to the pilot for getting us there safely. And now let's jump off the plane and check out the Liberia airport. All right, and we have landed. So here is the Porter plane, the Embraer 2x2. I like it, nice and comfy. Thank you.
Bye.
I know.
Take care.
So we're getting the ramp treatment. Oh my God, it's hot out. Oh my goodness, Costa Rica's hot. So here we are, Liberia Airport, arrivals. We're heading over there. So we're gonna have to go in and see immigration. See how quick that goes, I don't know. So there it is, guys, Liberia Airport, we have arrived. Lots of planes, what do we got? We got like, looks like 5, bunch of private jets. All kinds of stuff going on. Very cool. Let's head in and check in. Thank you. All right, so here is the immigration line. Very, very long. I don't know how many planes that is. Looks like 2 or 3 at least. All right, guys, so here is the baggage area. 2:15, hour and a half in immigration line. So this is where you get your bags and then continue on through the process here in the airport. All right, so this is where we just came out of right here. This is the exit of immigration. There's a bunch of people renting cars there. Here's the main terminal at Liberia. So departures is over there, arrivals is over here. You walk through here, there's going to be a bunch of people, with signs and stuff like that. I'm not good enough for that though. I'm just getting picked up by my friend. So let's go get to the beach. Okay, and let's start our drive out to Playas del Coco. So here's the front of the airport. You see all these shuttles and all these taxis. That's the arrivals area. So if you're landing here and you don't have somebody picking you up, you don't have a rental car, this is where you'll probably get picked up. Here is the road out front of the airport. So this is where you're going to be heading out towards the Pacific coast. You can see the airport is off on the right there. And off on the left, there's a lot of commercial areas, restaurants. And this is kind of the first town that you'll drive through. It's called Comunidad. So if you continue straight here, you'll end up going towards Tamarindo, Santa Teresa, Nosara, Samara. All those places are straight through here, but we're going to be turning right. Now this intersection that we're turning at has recently been upgraded with a traffic light and a turning lane here. Used to be really busy because people would be trying to turn and everything like that. It was nuts. You'd sometimes wait a long time to turn to the airport. So now we've just got a 10 or 15 minute drive from here down to Playas del Coco. All right, and we have arrived, guys, at Playas del Coco, my favorite beach town here in Costa Rica. So let's recap the day. 6 a.m. get arrived at Pearson. 9:30 about, get on the old Porter flight. 3 p.m. Local time, I land in right here in Costa Rica. I'm down on the beach, ready to go. We're just going to do a quick little walk because I'm starving and I want to find some food. I'll take you guys along with me here. That big thing. That's pretty cool. Hey, so guys, we're going to be doing a bunch of videos in this series around Coco, around Guanacaste province entirely. Things you can do if you're landing at the Liberia airport. I want to hit a lot of spots. All the beaches for sure. We'll get the drone up on another video. Maybe we'll do a bigger walking tour here in Coco, or I'll bust out the BC Moto. Bust out the old BC Moto. So man, we got some restaurants here. We got a gift shop here. These guys got cigars. I know as much. There's a soda, I think, right over there. Maybe we'll go check that out. Now this is interesting. I saw this development here in Coco. It's a KFC. Let's go check that out. I don't want to get KFC after flying from Canada. You know what I mean? That's crazy. But let's see what's going on here. This building was like not being utilized for anything for the longest time. Bunch of stuff down there. Now, guys, you saw the line at immigration. My goodness, I don't know what that's all about. That was crazy. It was an hour and a half in immigration. I don't know if that's like the standard right now. Oh, so they're open. There you go, guys. So there's a KFC down here now in Playas del Coco, right by the beach. Perfect. So what do we got? So yeah, there's a soda. I'll show you guys right over here. Actually, that's probably where we're going to finish this video off. I'm going to try to get some casado if they're open. Maybe they're not even open now. I don't know if they're open. Might have to go somewhere else. But we're going to go get in the water here. So here's the beach area at Playas del Coco. Let's see what's going on. Lots of boats out. Nice and windy. Man, it's still hot though. It's still hot. See some catamarans out in the bay. Which way are we going, guys? Which way are we going? Let's just go right down to here. Here's the water. The water's getting kind of murky. So it's rainy season right now. You can see it's a lot cloudier. Right, there's a bit of chop coming in, you know, on the plane. So that's going to be, I think, more common in the rainy season. More debris up on the beach. This stuff's getting washed down, you know, from the rivers into the estuaries and stuff like that. We're going to check the water. So guys, I got some new water shoes I'm going to be trialing. What are these called? Oobfen or something? I'll put a link in the description below. I'll let you guys know as we're going how they're going. Is that a ray? I think there's a ray like right there. You guys see it? What is that? So the water shoes work for certain. What is that? I think that's a piece of a tire or something. Yeah, that must be like from the mooring things. Okay. Thought it was like a stingray. That would have been really cool. So the water's actually pretty warm right now. Very refreshing though after sitting on a plane all day. So here's Playas del Coco, right? There's down towards like Las Palmas. There's the other end of the beach. Beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day. So I'm going to go find some food, guys, and I'll share that with you. All right, so I found somewhere to eat, guys. It's just over across from the gym. The Tico Bakery. So got some of these. Got some of the coffee. So this is what we're going to be snacking on for now. So guys, if you want to see more videos, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Check the channel for more traveling videos here in Costa Rica. Here, I'll show you the bakery too. Show you what they got in the bakery here. This is my go-to spot for breakfast. And it was just something familiar that I saw. So I was like, I got to do it. I got to do it. So 2 of those and the coffee was $5. They got coffee. They got the machine coffee. I would just get that coffee. It's cheaper. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. landing in Liberia, right straight to Playas del Coco. Thanks for watching. Bye now.